Growing on YouTube is hard, but some people have found a way to crack the code. Now look at these channels here. Simplifying Ideas posted their last video 9 months ago, have just 5 videos rather, but they're going to be making at least $4,000 by the end of this year. Productive Peter has 127 videos, but is going to be making, I think, $6,000, almost $7,000 a month. Look at this, The Blurb has, I think, 70 videos and is making at least $23,000 a year. Warren Stick has just about 24 videos and is going to be making at least $3,200 in this year. And you know the thing about this, they haven't made a video for the past 1 month. They have just 27 or 24 videos on their channel. Now, what do all these channels have in common? They are all stick figure channels. Now look at this. These are all stick videos. And these are all stick videos. And they are all stick videos. They are all stick figure videos too. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a stick figure video so that you too can make money from YouTube. The next thing you need to do is to have your Canva script, or your script rather, not your Canva script. And in this case, I'm going to be using this particular prompt and using ChatGPT to get my script. You can copy the same prompt. I'm going to put that there. And it's writing. So this is a 30-second script. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to go to 11 Labs. I'm just going to paste this here. And you can test out the different voices. We have Rachel and you can test out Brian. All right, let's see Charlie. I'm going to use Brian. And so I'm going to click on generate speech. And it says unusual activity, free tier disabled. I'm going to resolve that and get back to you. So I ended up having to use another text to speech tool called Love Voice. This is it because I kept getting this error from 11 Labs telling me to subscribe, have a paid plan. This one is also free. I'll close this, but you have to deal with all these ads. The next thing is for us to go to Canva. So I have Canva here on my computer. And on Canva, I'm going to have to choose the dimensions of what I want. I want a video. So I'm going to search here for video. And this is landscape. And I want to look for a background. This is just a regular video. The first thing I'm going to do is to go to elements. I'll look for, let's say, paper background. And then we see quite a number of them. We see graphics, we see photos. I think I'm going to use this. It works very well on stick figures. And then now I want to go to uploads and I want to upload the audio, which we did. Now I'm going to drag this to the timeline somewhere here. Let me just drag that there. And I want to drag it to the end. How do I do that? I'll just extend this. You know what? I'll leave it the way it is for now. I'll just play this and hear again.
Oh, you don't have to have it all figured out to begin.
All right. So what I'm going to do is, what if I made this, I extended this to the end of this video? So, okay, here it is. This is the end of the video. And I want to come to elements and I want to look for stick figure. You see there. And then you see quite a number of them. Let's go to graphics. And you see stick. And you have to use a stick figure that corresponds with the audio. See?
Oh, you don't have to have it all figured out to.
All right. So I see this here, this particular one. And then when you see anyone that catches your interest, click on it and go to the author. Go to the author. View more by Zdenek Sasek. So going to see that, see all, and I see a lot from this person. I'm going to drag this particular one and add it here, this particular stick figure, and the one I want to add some text. I'm going to add the text later on. Now, what I want to do is this. I want to split this particular section, which says you don't have to have it all figured out.
You don't have to have it all figured out to begin.
I'm going to split it here, split the page. I decided to just bring everything back. So I'm going to add some text here and see, let's see, have no fear or fear not. And you can change the font to something more playful. Let's say this, and then we'll make it that. And then you can change the color of this particular one and see fear not. And then I'm just going to go ahead and add all the other ones and get back to you. I've gone ahead and added all the other scenes. If I play this, you can hear it now.
You don't have to have it all figured out to begin. Every great success started small, one step, one habit, one decision at a time. Growth doesn't happen in your comfort zone. It happens the moment you dare to step beyond it. Be patient with yourself. Progress takes time, but every little action compounds into something powerful. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. Create it. Take that first step today. Because the life you dream of is built by the actions you take right now.
This is looking a lot better than when we started. So the first thing I'm going to do now is I want to look for background music. And you know what? I'll just close this. Look for background music background. And let's come to audio. There are a number of them here. Yes, we can use this particular one. But if you don't find what you're looking for here, you can go to pixabay.com. If I play this.
You don't have to have it all figured out to begin. Every great success.
I don't hear the sound here. I don't know why. Let me play that again.
Started small, one step, one habit, one decision at a time. Growth doesn't happen.
I want to check the volume. Let's see if I play that again. That's too loud. I'm going to reduce this. And if I play this now.
You don't have to have it all figured out to begin.
Still too loud. I'll reduce that again. Then play it now.
You don't have to have it all figured out to begin. Every great success started small, one step, one habit, one decision at a time. Growth doesn't happen in your comfort zone. It happens the moment you dare to step beyond it. Be patient with yourself. Progress takes time, but every little action compounds into something powerful. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. Create it. Take that first step today. Because the life you dream of is built by the actions you take right now.
All right, so we'll just name this, let's say stick video. And then we can share this, we can export it, make sure it's MP, and click on download, and you can upload it to your YouTube channel or to Instagram or wherever you're uploading these videos. So if you got any value out of this video, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, post your comment and turn on the notification bell. God bless you. Peace.